Welcome everybody, welcome back to another episode of Kevin Tries for the first time. Because last week we never do a video and we need to do a video for this week. I just made this a 2 for 1. You know what I mean? As you can see from the thumbnail or the type. I'm gonna try 2 fruits today. I don't know what fruits you're supposed to eat all in them time. You see me get the vitamin C and them something there. I remember what I say. You
can't water down and dilute. You can't eat the fruit, not the root.
I say go. Can't eat the fruit. Yeah, so I'm gonna try American pear. Look at it. Look at it. Let me come out that way, because that camera have a way of just like in face. So, because me as a youth now, we're pretty handsome, you always go after my face and them thing there. This is the American pear. You see me? Next up we got the plum. The American plum. I don't know if I'm American, I just say American, you see me? I don't know if none of them are really like sitting in America, like America alone, but I just call it that cause, yeah, but see there, plum, yes, of the plumbers. Alright. Of course in Jamaica we have pears, but it is totally different. Overseas them call it avocado, you know what I'm saying? Avocado. I see you have a bike, but do you avocado? No?
Shut up your mouth, man.
Let's start out with the pear first. Let's see what I go on. Holy shit. Yo, hold on. Let me chew you up first. Yo, this was not what I was expecting. Bro, my mind is blown. 1 minute for I eat them sitting here for a long time. Yo, this nice, yo. Hold on there, man. Holy shit. Bruh, no. Alright, it's the one that's sweet, Zine. It's sweet. I'm telling you, at the very first bite, me get a hint of Jamaican people will say almond. So when you bite in the skin of the almond, before you get to the nut, the little fleshy piece, like it gives that little taste at first, but it's sweet. And then the texture now would be something like what we call American apple, but not as grainy. It better than how the American apple stay, the texture of it. It would have stay like a meaty guava. You know when you eat them meaty guava there and the flesh like thick, not the seed part, you know, the flesh. That's how the flesh for this kind of remind me. Remind me of something like guava. Oh. People, did I expect something? But nothing like way it'll give me right now. Holy. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. See the people, I saw the inside of the flesh on the pear look. Hold on, I'm not blame through all of this. I need to get to the apple. Yambo apple, I need to get to it. I eat that. Now wash up my mouth with liquor water, then I go feed plum. Alright people, so the pear outdid my expectations. Now a time for the plum. We have plums in Jamaica. I try to put it on screen. A different something. You have the country plum them, then you have the Senti people plum them. The hog plum as them call it, them one they nice. Regular plum nice too, you know, but you see hog plum. People, out of this and the pear, at this me really did I look forward to. I really did I look forward to this. So, without further ado, I'm hoping to disappoint me. Alright. Not bad. Wowers. Yo. Hold on, I eat the skin to come in. Wowers. Oh my God. The skin, maybe I understand why they call it plum. For the people that eat like plum skin, it gives you the same type of, like, sort of like a little bitter saltiness, like a little rind bitter saltiness. Not really rind, because rind, when I think about orange. But it gives you like a little tangy taste when I eat the skin, but the flesh is nice and it's sweet. Oh my God. This is how the plum inside look like. It kind of orange, or maybe the camera make it look so. Do that look like something like a bundle of sugar? Some brown sugar and them thing there.
What?
Not really brown sugar, but yo, I understand what I say. And that look at something right there, so I must see the seed. Let me go in again, people. No man. The Jamaican people them again. Star apple. The fleshy part of this, it give me a little taste like when you bite in a star apple. This kind of tough. Not tough. Let me say rigid. So when I say like one firm mango, when not fully ripe, but you can eat it. And you know you can cut it with a knife and it's firm, rigid. And so it's still.
Okay.
But the texture definitely give me one like a hint of star apple. Not star fruit now, you know, people. Not star fruit. Star apple. And for you people who don't know what star apple be, look up Jamaican star apple. Google must know. I have another plum. I buy two. Because I say some of them look darker than others. And this was one of the more red one. See that one you kinda less red, more dark. You have a darker skin. So I figure say that one are probably more ripe than this. So I did take up the two of them. To say, alright, if this not ripe, then the darker the berry the what? The sweeter the dark! This is not a berry though, a plum. But it still applies.
Okay.
People they plum or the pear, it never disappoint. They never disappoint. As a matter of fact, my mind is blown. Wowers. I add them two here to my list of fruits. We may gonna eat more regular. Alright. Maybe not eat more regular because $180 for one pear. Put $20 upon that, I could have mashed down a patty, cheese patty. And $462 for the two plum them. Yeah, so we're not gonna eat too often. But you know, when we can afford to do so, I will definitely try to squeeze in a plum and a pear. Nice little thing to snap on. The mind still blown, people, like they are delicious. Make sure you not take care of yourself in these corona times, you see me? And a social distance until it is safe again. Right? Till then I will try to provide you guys with as much entertainment as I possibly can. My mind still I think about the pear and the plum. I like them. If you can afford to try these fruits, delicious, trust me. So that is it, people. You know, hit the like button, share button if you want to see more of this content. Definitely subscribe, because there are so many things out there for me to try. And then you just see, I don't know why I smile so much. Maybe it's something like the pear or the goddamn plum, but because they're so nice, they put me in a good mood. There are so many things out there for me to try, man. I'm wanting to see my honest reaction. So, thank you for tuning in to another episode. That's it. Yeah, man. Wowers.